Prices have fallen in San Francisco this January. Are we now in a buyer's market? I'm Gjevre, and I'm a top real estate agent here in San Francisco. And today I'm going to break down what is going on here in San Francisco at the beginning of 2025. As we're moving into 2025, San Francisco's housing market is showing both familiar and evolving trends. While mortgage rates have inched back up, there are signs that affordability may improve in the coming months. Let's dive into the national landscape first, and then we'll talk about what's happening in San Francisco. Mortgage rates have climbed back to the levels that we saw before the Federal Reserve's rate cuts that started in September. However, despite these increases, there has been a slight improvement in affordability year over year, with the median monthly principal and interest payment down 1.84%. Another key trend is the growth in housing inventory, which is outpacing existing home sales by about 7% across the country. This could lead to increased affordability in the coming months as buyers have more choices, helping to ease some of the pressure on pricing. At the same time, the national home price growth has remained relatively flat since late summer of 2024. This is according to the CoreLogic chief economist. While prices are expected to rise this year, most markets will see a slower pace of growth, which is good news for buyers who have been budgeting and saving for down payments. Okay, so here in San Francisco, we did have a January drop-off, right? So after holding steady through Q4 of 2024, median sale prices in San Francisco took a pretty big dip. Here's the numbers. So San Francisco median home prices for single-family homes were down 9.68%. So that's 1.422 million. Condo median prices were down 8.76%, which is 990,000. And this is just for the month of January, which is a low sale month. And we're kind of cleaning up some of the inventory left over from the previous year. Single family homes are still selling above asking price though. Despite the price dip, San Francisco's market continues to defy the expectations, with median prices down nearly 10% year over year. You might assume that homes are selling way below asking price, but that's not the case. Single-family homes are selling for 105% of asking price on average. Condos, however, were selling around 96% of their original price. Again, remember, this month is when we clean up a lot of what was going on in December. As I'm sure you all know, if you watch my videos, San Francisco has been dealing with a housing shortage, and this issue has not gone away so far in 2025. Inventory remains very low. Competition is still really fierce amongst buyers. Here's how the numbers break down for that, okay? So single-family homes had over 18% more new listings, but we had 34% more sold listings and 10% fewer active listings. Condos, we had 12% more listings, 17% more sold listings, and still we had 11% fewer active listings. So while more homes were hitting the market this January, the number of active listings remained low, keeping the seller's advantage strong. San Francisco is firmly a seller's market. One of the key metrics in real estate is months of supply inventory, or we call it MSI. This tells us whether a market favors buyers or sellers. In San Francisco specifically, we'll say if it's less than 3 months of inventory, it's a seller's market. If it's more than 3 months of inventory, it's a buyer's market. Right now, San Francisco is deep in the seller's territory, especially single-family homes. We have 1.1 months of inventory in single-family homes. Condos, 2.8 months of inventory, so still a seller's market. With demand significantly outpacing supply, buyers are facing an uphill battle in securing these properties, especially in that single-family home market. So for buyers, higher mortgage rates are still a big challenge. but it does seem like maybe prices have come down a little bit. Inventory remains low, so you gotta act fast, and if you find the home you like, you gotta move. And expect competition for single-family homes. We are still selling well above asking price. And for sellers, San Francisco remains a strong seller's market, especially in those single-family homes. Pricing strategically is key. While the market is competitive, buyers are more price sensitive due to high borrowing costs, and you've got to get every buyer you can into your listing and not leave any money on the table. Condos, they might require a more aggressive pricing and marketing strategy to attract buyers with a slightly softer segment. While mortgage rates remain high, inventory growth and moderating home price appreciation could help balance the market in 2025. But for now, San Francisco remains a strong seller's market, especially in that single-family home category. If you're considering buying or selling this year, reach out and we can discuss the best strategy for you to navigate this market. I'll give you the advice and the guidance that you need to make informed decisions in this ever-evolving real estate market. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Gjevre. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you need any help in San Francisco or beyond, please reach out. I would love to hear from you. See you next time.